Hello guys, welcome to Dost Web. So we have update for you all from the video that if you have not still submitted your form, that is your examination application form 2020, the date has been extended. So it's very good news for you all. You can submit this form. So I'll show you the circular. So I'm sorry for the delay update because I was much busy in my office work, so I was not able to come online. So I just came online and I'm giving you all the update. So you can see here the circular extension of date for submission of online examination application form. So you can see that you can open the portal and you can just click on extension of date 2. So you can see this circular has been opened and you can see the circular. This has been released today 10th August 2020, and you can see here the subject is extension of date for the submission of online application forms for all semester B, ARC, BE, BTech, B Plan, MBA, MC, MTech, MArch. So this examination which is going to held in August or September 2020. So what is the update here? So this is whoever eligible to apply this examination form, for all of them the date has been extended. You can see here the earlier date was, which was mentioned. So it was submission date was today, it was last, but you can see here the communication of password from the college. You can still most of the student have collected your password from the college. So this was the main changes here. You can see the filling of examination application form by the student or college, which was earlier date was 10th/8, and before 2 p.m. you are supposed to submit. So now you can see that. So this you have to do it on 11th, that is by Tuesday before 3 p.m. afternoon. So guys, make it note and you can submit your application form before 3 p.m. and further the college is going to be processed with that and your application will be approved. So whatever you have submitted for the college, also the update that till 11th they can approve your application form, and on 13th the hall ticket will be generated. So generation of hall ticket and the submission of the fees which was collected by you, that will be given by the college to the university, that is on 20th. So as per new circular, this is the rescheduled date. So if you have not submitted, please go ahead and submit, collect your password from the college and you can proceed and submit. Do it carefully, don't do any mistakes. So you have to raise the tickets or you have to inform to your college faculty. So that's all for today guys. And one more request, I just request you all that if you have not really subscribed our channel, you can just hit on this red color button subscribe and click on all notification on bell icon, so you'll be receiving our all the notification to your device. That's all for today and thank you. Bye bye, take care.